My name is Andrea Loffert, and I am a data analytics consultant at Trace3.
Nice. Are you ready to take a spin?
Yeah, I'm ready. Born ready. So some headlines within the data analytics space nowadays really are machine learning, AI, and predictive analytics. And so it's really interesting because a lot of clients that I go into, their analytic maturity really isn't there yet for AI, or artificial intelligence, or machine learning. So that's where my team comes in and helps out a lot, because we can help clients set up their data. We can help structure their data, store their data, prep their data, visualize and distribute their data so they're able to understand their operational analytics to then eventually empower their business users with predictive analytics and machine learning and artificial intelligence. So that's where the headlines are right now, at least in this space, are artificial intelligence, AI. So the way that I explain my job to most people when I meet them, because if I say I'm a data analytics consultant, a lot of people have no idea what that is. So I usually start really high level and I say I'm a software consultant. And if people have no idea what that is, they say cool and they move on. But sometimes people actually know and understand what the tech world is like. And so if they say what kind of software, that's usually when I understand that they know what's up and I go a little bit deeper. As far as my grandparents, I just tell them I work with computers, and most people don't ask questions if they don't work with computers, or they ask if I, go to people's desk and work in IT and turn their computer off and on, and I just accept it. That's pretty much how it works.
Yeah.
With our clients, innovation is happening because they're starting to be empowered with their data. I'm able to visualize and automate their data. And so they're starting to make business decisions quicker, smarter, just from that data. And they're becoming really creative with this. So for example, I had a client who it's a huge company. They actually acquired 2 other huge companies. So they had 3 different Active Directory systems. And one way that they got really innovative with their reporting and their visual analytics is they created dashboards that were presented throughout the entire building of the many companies, showing who, what teams, what departments have migrated to this one new system the fastest, and whoever did it the fastest would then win a prize or win a party. So that was a really innovative way for a client to use visual analytics and data analytics to kind of do like a healthy competition within their business users. So that was pretty innovative, I thought. One funny story that I traveled abroad recently with another analyst, a data analyst, a friend of mine, and we actually went to Peru. And Machu Picchu is in Peru, and one thing that I do every time that I travel is I take handstand pictures everywhere. I've been doing gymnastics my whole life, and so it's just kind of something that I do. I take handstand pictures everywhere. So we get to Machu Picchu, and of course I had to set up for my handstand picture. Found the perfect spot for it, and I go and start doing handstands, and all of a sudden I hear someone screaming at me in Spanish. I don't speak Spanish, but obviously they speak Spanish down in Peru. And they start chasing after me, and I'm in a handstand position like, what the heck is going on? So we just ran. We literally ran from the Peruvian guard, I don't know what it is, and I don't know if you guys know, but Machu Picchu is like 9,000 feet elevation. So while we're running, we're like literally having asthma attacks. So word of advice, if you go to Machu Picchu, do your handstands secretly, because they did not like that at all. So I was working with a telecommunications client in last summer, and this particular department had no insight into their data whatsoever. So not only were we at Trace3 able to come in and visualize that data for them and automate those processes, we were also able to help improve their business processes from that because the visualized data gave them insight into how inefficient their business was running. Does that make sense? Okay, great. I hope that helps. That's a cool one because it's both. I help a lot of businesses visualize their data, but this one actually not only gave them an automated reporting system, but it also helped their business outside of reporting. So I love being a consultant. I take a really unique position with our clients because I am a data analytics consultant. So I work with business users to really understand what they need out of the data and how the data could help them improve their business. And then I also work with IT to figure out where the data is, how to structure the data, and I help bridge that gap between the business users and the IT, the technical people, to help empower business users with data. And so it's a really interesting spot to be because I can not only speak with business users and understand their business challenges, but I can also speak technical with the IT department and help them understand each other. So it's a cool role. You don't really ever get bored.